Every building you enter and every city street you walk on was first an idea in someone's mind. In this module, we'll see how architects, planners, and construction experts turn those ideas into real spaces, and how AI tools are now reshaping that entire process. Now zoom out and picture your own city. Its buildings, roads, parks, even the way traffic moves. All of that started as lines on paper or a screen. In the age of AI, the real question is, do you only want to use these spaces or help design and reinvent them? Architecture is where creativity meets real-world problem solving. Architects don't just draw pretty buildings. They design spaces that are safe, comfortable, and practical. The work moves from rough sketches to 3D models to detailed refinement. Every idea must follow rules: building codes, structure, budget, climate, while still focusing on people, how they move, live, study, or work inside those spaces every day. Urban planning shifts the focus from single buildings to whole neighborhoods and cities. Planners decide where housing, offices, parks, and transport should go, so life is safe, convenient, and fair for different groups of people. They think about traffic, pollution, green spaces, and future growth. You can think of it this way: architects design the building, but urban planners design the bigger story that building fits into. Construction management is about turning drawings into safe, usable buildings. It's the link between architects' ideas and actual site work. Managers balance the iron triangle: time, budget, and safety. If you rush, costs or safety can suffer. If you add quality features, you must manage extra time or money. Their job is to coordinate people, materials, and machines, so all three stay in harmony. CAD is like a super accurate pencil. It lets architects and engineers draw lines, walls, and dimensions with precision. But to the computer, it's still mostly geometry. BIM goes a step further. Every wall, pipe, and beam becomes an intelligent object with data attached: material, cost, even installation order. Because of that, BIM software can automatically spot clashes, like a pipe cutting through a beam, long before work begins. That saves time, reduces rework, and makes AI-based simulation and cost estimation much easier later. Imagine you're an architect planning a new campus building. Instead of sketching every option by hand, you tell an AI your goals: maximize daylight, reduce heat, keep costs moderate. The AI instantly generates hundreds of possible shapes and layouts that you then refine with your own judgment. Later, when construction starts, drones with cameras fly over the site. Computer vision checks for safety risks, missing helmets, weak scaffolding, and schedule delays, so engineers can fix problems before accidents or cost overruns happen. The built environment stream actually offers three different flavors of careers. First, the all-time gold track: long-term, highly respected roles that design and manage buildings and infrastructure. These usually need strong academics and longer degrees, but stay valuable for decades. Second, futuristic paths linked to sustainability, smart cities, and digital design tools where AI, sensors, and virtual reality become part of your everyday toolkit. Third, accessible and support roles: drafting, supervision, site coordination, quantity tracking. These need shorter courses, offer quicker entry, and involve very practical work. So whether you're creative, analytical, or a hands-on doer, there's a place for you here. Some careers act like the backbone of our built world. Architect, urban planner, and civil engineer are classic, all-time gold options in this stream. Architects imagine how spaces should look and feel. Urban planners think at city scale, deciding where roads, parks, and services go. Civil engineers make sure structures are safe, stable, and actually get built. Tools will keep evolving with AI, but the demand for these core roles remains strong. Now picture designing a building that almost thinks for itself. As a sustainable building designer, you plan spaces that stay cool naturally, use sunlight smartly, and rely on eco-friendly, low-carbon materials. AI tools can simulate temperature, light, and energy use before anything is built. Smart city planners zoom out one level higher. They decide where sensors, cameras, and meters go, then use data analytics to reduce traffic jams, save electricity, and make cities safer, cleaner, and more comfortable to live in. When you think of construction, you might imagine bricks and cement. But many new roles here are actually tech-heavy. A construction tech specialist sets up and manages drones, robots, and AR or VR tools that help teams see problems before they build. A BIM manager works with giant digital models of the whole project, coordinating data from architects, engineers, and contractors. If you enjoy both technology and real-world projects, these careers sit right at that intersection. Let's compare two accessible roles. A CAD draftsperson works mostly on computers, turning design ideas into accurate digital drawings. If you like detail, software, and a calm indoor environment, this can fit you well. It usually needs focused technical training, not extreme entrance exams. A site supervisor is more field-based. You coordinate workers, check quality and safety, and solve problems on the spot. This suits someone active, practical, and confident with people. Both paths are hands-on, employable, and great starting steps into construction careers. There's also a business side to the built environment that runs mostly through support roles. Quantity surveyors focus on money. They estimate materials, control costs, and protect the project budget. Facility managers step in once a building is ready, handling maintenance, safety, and services, so everything works smoothly every day. To choose your path here, start from your natural preferences. If you enjoy sketching spaces, colors and forms, architecture or sustainable design might fit you. If you love imagining how whole neighborhoods or cities should work, look at urban planning. If maths and physics problems excite you, civil or structural engineering could be your zone. Tech lovers who enjoy gadgets and data can explore smart cities and construction tech. And if you like being on site and hands-on, roles in site supervision or drafting may suit you best. Every road you travel, every classroom you sit in, every room you sleep in was first just an idea in someone's mind. Imagine being the person who decides how people live, move, and feel in a city. Would you like your career to leave something people can actually touch and walk through?